Hey, what's up guys? Dan Cross here again. In today's video we've got this really bad dent in this Honda Pilot. So you can see here, I guess she backed out, lady backed out into the handlebars of a snowblower. So yeah, did quite a bit of damage there right on the body line. She's pushed in about 1.5 inches as far as the depth. So yeah, we're gonna do a lot of glue pulling, a lot of tension pulling on this, and trying to relieve all the stress that's built up in the crown here all the way along. So we get a whole bunch of tabs set up right on the body line, on the lower part of the body line, and give that a pull. I'm gonna use kind of my wall here as an anchor point, and we'll just ratchet strap this sucker out. So should be fun.
You got that. That is nothing compared to
That's
the
so funny.
Equinox.
Everybody I talk to is like, "Oh, you got it."
That's
I'm
nothing. Compared to what you
You
don't know what in front of the camera. Oh, Daddy can edit it.
Whoa, it's a huge mess.
Nah. Do you guys remember that one he had in the back of that one car? That was the nastiest, gnarliest thing I've ever seen in my life. And you made it look perfect. That's child's play for you. You'll be fine.
You say so.
You'll be done with that tonight.
Yeah, right.
Tomorrow.
All right, so basically I want to try to move all this metal out at the same time if possible. So unfortunately, I don't have those fancy Cam Auto glue tabs with the bar you can put through it and pull all at once. So I'm gonna have to just kind of do this the way I've been doing it, which is just lining up a whole bunch of tabs and try to pull everything out as even as I can. So I'm basically going to use this strap here to just kind of help me along. So I'm going to start here with the deepest section and work my way forward. And I am going to use the Kiko K-bar for most of this, and then just adding a little bit of tension to help me out here. So I'm going to be pulling and kind of knocking down these big nasty humps that are in here. Now what I'm going to use to do that is actually I use a paint stick quite often on really big crowns. It works really good. Just wrap it in some tape, and then I'll be using this soft tip to knock down. So we'll basically just be going right on that crown, putting a little pressure, trying to relieve all that stress that's built up right here along this along that edge. So let's go. All right, we got a little pressure. Okay, it's gonna move quick, so I'm just gonna go real gentle on the pole. Let's start here. Okay. good. A little more. Got a lot of that out though. All right, so I am still bulking out the damage here with the glue pull. I've got it pretty much as good as it's going to get with the glue pull, at least for my capabilities. And then, so I'm just going to show you where you can gain access here on these pilots. Now, this is a vent right here. It actually has just enough of a hole. You can take those two 10 millimeters out, and you can actually slide this all the way up, so I can reach to about here. Now, the only other area to access on these high-end pilots is going to be through either this grommet hole where the tail light snaps into, or you can go through right here. You can get a rod down through here, and you can put pressure on the inside of on the inner quarter to gain leverage. But that's going to be about it. So, all right, well, it's time to get tooling. So we still got a little ways to go yet, but it's getting pretty close. This is after one full day. So got a couple more days with this car, so the rest of the time is just gonna be, you know, fine tuning some things, but it's getting close.